Okay. Dito ulit tayo sa along beach road for lure casting ulit, ultralight. Tingnan natin kung anong mapapagat natin. Going high tide, 8 o'clock na siguro yung pinaka high tide nya, o maaga pa. Tingnan natin kung ano mapapa strike natin. Okay, let's do it. Boom. Okay, boy, live free. Okay boy, I need to release you, so you have to live free and multiply. Okay, there you go, there you go. Come on boy, live free. Okay, go, go. You're still alive boy, come on. There you go. So it's alive. Okay, nice. Bye bye. Bye. There you go. There. Oh, nice. It's turning back. There you go. Bye bye. Okay. Go cast again. Whoa! 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 Big one. Okay. You didn't. Hindi niya nahabol. There! 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 What? What? There! Smack it, boy! What? Let's go. 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 What? What? Oh, whoa, that's a big one. That's a big emperor, man. Strike it. Oh, tarakito. Yan, okay mo. Tanggal na. Ayan o. Tanggal na. Oh, babalik pa. Okay. Yun. What? What? Dami nila. What? Okay. Ano yun? Dami nilang. Oh. What? Oh. Oh, that's a big one, man. Holy cow. What's that, man? There. Oh boy. Strike my bait, boy. Come on. And let's see what you can do. That's a big one. walang kumagat sa lure natin. Isa lang pala na trevally. So magpifield test tayo ng ibang lure. So try natin tong lure na to. Okay. Palitan natin to. Try natin to. Right. Kilala na masyado tong lure na to. So yan, mag-try tayo ng ibang kulay. Pag kinagat siya, mag-stick tayo ulit sa ganitong kulay ng lure. Okay. Right. Oh. Okay, let's go. Unang sabak, kailangan makahuli ka boy, pabalik na tayo. Okay? Gaang ah. What? Iba yata langoy nito ah. What? Pangit ang langoy ah. Ano ba lumangoy pag malapit na? Tinan ko nga. Di maganda lumangoy. Oh. Okay. Di magandang lumangoy. Palitan natin. Magandang lumangoy boy. Di magandang lumangoy. Balik tayo ng lure. Woo! Yun. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, fish on. Oh. Center. There you go. Striking already, huh? Come on, boy. Keep still, boy. Oh, shit. Still, boy. Oh. Still, boy. Oh. What? Tanggal yung lure. Pati fish na, tanggal na. What? Tanggal pati yung ano, hook. No more the hook. Where is it? What? Tanggal yung hook. Where's the hook, man? Oh, there. Eh? Okay. Smack it, boy. Yun. Oh, this one. Oh, oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, get unhooked boy. Oh boy. Go boy. Oh. Go boy. Oh. Go boy. Oh, talaki itok boy. Ayun o. Ayun ito boy. Okay. Tanggal na. Oh yeah. Yung wala ko pinasarap. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Nice. Nag-strike na sila. Ayun mga master, ilan lang yung naland natin dito sa along beach road na fishing natin. So hanggang sa susunod ulit natin na fishing session. Alright, okay.